Hello, my name is Amanda Clement Embry. I am taking CS50 with the hopes of finishing a graduate certificate in programming. I currently work full-time at the MIT Broad Synthetic Biology Foundry as a laboratory automation engineer. I work very closely with equipment and its maintenance. I'm going to be taking you on a tour today of the equipment maintenance and service tracking tool. The first step in the process is to register. If you have already registered, you may skip to the login stage. Once you are logged in, the home screen shows a list of preventative maintenance tasks for existing equipment, with tasks that are due highlighted in red. All information was added to the SQLite MES database using the different links on the side navbar. The top navbar contains information about who is currently using the system, the ability to change your password, and the ability to log out of the system. The side navbar on the left-hand side of the page is broken up into the home link and an additional 4 main sections. One for logging when preventative maintenance tasks have been performed on a piece of equipment, one for adding new items to the database, one for updating existing items in the database, and the final section for viewing reports on items in the database. So let's go through the sections a little bit. So in order to be able to log a completed task, you have to have items in the database. So to have a piece of equipment, you have to have a manufacturer. So entering manufacturer information and then adding equipment information. You can then add a PM requirement for it. An example of this, if we go to log completed task, would be we could select a task associated with a piece of equipment, such as, let's say, clean deck of the Rapid Pick, say who performed the task, when it was completed, and then add task completion to the database. We can then go and see our completed tasks. Let's see. Deck. And it looks like this one was the one that I just entered. Additionally, you can update equipment. So if you want to select a piece of equipment, the information that's stored in the database is brought up using Ajax, and we can then see all of the information and then make changes to it. This is true for the other updates as well, for service contract and so forth. A lot of the views are very useful because the most important thing about putting data in is to be able to get the data out of the database. So, thank you for taking this tour with me.